Developed over thousands of years, Chinese cuisine has long been recognized as an art form. Chinese cooking involves hundreds of cooking methods, the most common of which are stir-frying, deep frying, shallow frying, braising, boiling, steaming, and roasting. Stir-frying, or what we call 炒 in Chinese, is the most frequently used method. This method usually involves heating up oil in the wok before ingredients and spices are added and cooked at high heat for a short period of time. Due to the short period of cooking time, stir-frying is able to retain the nutritional value of the ingredients and keep the meat juicy and the vegetables crispy. Stir-fry is the method of cooking for dishes like fried rice and chow mein. 炒. Another type of frying, known as deep frying or 炸, uses a lot of oil, enough so that the ingredients are fully submerged in the oil, thus producing a crisp textured food, similar to that of fried chickens. Traditionally, ingredients are cut into small pieces, soaked in seasoning, and coated with cornstarch before dropping them in the hot, deep oil over medium heat. Dishes like spring rolls utilize this kind of cooking method. 炸. In addition to stir-frying and deep frying, Chinese cooking utilizes yet another type of frying called shallow frying. Shallow frying, known as 煎 in Chinese, uses less oil than deep frying and lower heat than stir-frying. This type of cooking produces dishes that are tender inside and crispy on the outside. To make sure the ingredients are evenly cooked, they tend to be cut into flat pieces. This is a popular cooking method for fish. 煎鱼. Perhaps the easiest form of cooking Chinese food is simply to boil ingredients in water. This is known as 煮. Chinese people uses this form of cooking for a lot of soup like 蛋花汤 or 豆腐汤. Hot pots essentially take on this form of cooking, although different regions may use different soup bases for different hot pots. Another popular form of cooking in the Chinese cuisine is called braising, or what we call 炖. This form of cooking involves adding ingredients and seasonings with water to a pot, boiling it and then simmering it over an hour or more to bring out the flavors. This is a popular form of cooking with meat, such as beef stew, 炖牛肉, or braised pork belly, 红烧肉. One special cooking method invented by the Chinese people is called steaming, 蒸. The process involves placing ingredients in a bamboo basket, which is placed over water in the steamer pot. Steamed foods are able to retain more nutrition than boiled foods because they do not lose nutrition to the water. It is widely used for foods like 包子 和小笼包. The last cooking method we will look at is roasting, 烤. This method cooks the food over open flame or in an oven. The ingredients are cleaned, seasoned, and basted with oil before roasting. With this method, the outside of the foods get brown and crisp, while the inside stays juicy and tender. The most representative dish cooked with this method is none other than 烤鸭.